Okay, so a little bit of a correction from the theme customize video, how to customize themes. I totally misunderstood my own writing when it comes to point number 6. I saw in the end the for box themes, and immediately my mind went for the box sections, which I explained over there. This is completely different. Okay, this has to do with the header dimensions. So by default, when you export an Artisteer theme, you can have custom header and custom background support. You can turn those things off from Artisteer from the option screen. My recommendation will be to keep them on. All right. Now, when it comes to box themes, such as this one, sometimes Artisteer, actually the plugin, misrepresents the width of the site and puts it as 1920. When it comes to open themes, there's no problem because it's always going to be, the error is going to be 1920. Now, it so happens that in this case, the dimension of the header is going to be set incorrectly as 1920. To check it, you log into the backside, you load up the theme, you go to the customize screen, and you go to header image. Okay. Now, at this point, let me tell you that the first time that you load a brand new theme, the header is going to be invisible. Okay, it's not going to be visible. And from the one of the previous videos when I was talking about the Max Mega menu and the themes for it, when I was saying that the background bar for each theme, it's invisible, and you might have a problem. And this is what I was talking about. So when it's white, the links are white, you're not going to be able to see it. Okay, that's the one of the very few times that you actually have to go and change some of the colors, either put a bar or change the links from white to something else. All right, to get the header working, it's actually a pretty easy step. So you're going to go to hide image, and then all we have to do is click on the suggested image, and it's going to be back. And from now on, you don't have to worry about that. It's always going to be either this image over here, the default one, or anything that you add, or any image, any custom header that you're going to have in each page or post that you can do from the post page edit screens. All right, so to check the dimensions of the header that the theme will use to crop the images for the custom headers, it's over here. It says 1920 times 120. The 120 is the height, and it's always correct. The only misrepresentation is sometimes, not always, for box themes again, sometimes it's going to say 1920 as opposed to the actual width of the site, of the page. In this case, again, it's 1100. So it's a very easy fix. So let me jump out of here really quickly. We are going to go, I can do it from the backside. We're going to go to the editor, and we're going to load up the functions file. And then I'm going to do a quick search of 1920. And once I find the 1920, I'm simply going to change it to 1100. And then update the file. And just for a good measure, I'm going to check it from the customize screen. Header image, and now it says 1100. So now the image is going to be cropped properly.